So we're very happy to announce, on behalf of Markzware, I'm personally very happy to be the one telling you that the new FlightCheck 2022 is now available. Cruise over to markzware.com and check it out today and get the 30-day demo. FlightCheck 2022 has been rebuilt from the ground up, and it's called the MarkzFrame engine. And this framework is what powers both our popular Markz line conversion tools, like IDMarkz for InDesign files, QXPMarkz for Quark files, PDFMarkz for PDF files, etc. And it also now powers the new FlightCheck with a totally new interface wrapped around it. It's really slick and easy to. But now we've also added a preview, a full high-resolution preview, and that's something that the original users of FlightCheck often asked. I'd love to have a soft proof built in with pre-flighting. It would just go hand in hand to be able to find my problems and see where they are in the document. You know, if you have a multi-page document, extremely useful. Now we have it. Go to problems, but you can now, let's say, edit this found bad image in InDesign. You can edit right in InDesign. It takes you not only into InDesign, into the document, it'll take you right to the exact page and right to the exact element where the problem is. But it gets better. Now we click Edit in Acrobat. Off we go right into Acrobat, where you can use Adobe's built-in editing tools, or right there is in Focus Pit Stop if you need to edit with that. So, that's the quick introduction to FlightCheck 2022, now available. We have a full playlist up on YouTube on how to use FlightCheck. I'll put a link down below, and also put a link down below to where you can purchase FlightCheck today and where you can get the 30-day demo to try for yourself. It's like one of our old t-shirts used to say, why fight it? Pre-flight it with FlightCheck.